Hello, everyone, and welcome to this webinar, Mastering Outdoor CCTV Infrastructure with Wi-Tek. Today, joining us is Summer. She is a source engineer at Wi-Tek, and she will be leading this webinar. So, Summer, the floor is yours.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is Summer from Wi-Tek. I'm today's trainer. Welcome to the eBecome webinar today. Today's topic is introducing Wi-Tek CPE, IoT box, and PoE switch solution. Thank you for all your attending. So let's begin. Okay, let me introduce Wi-Tek whole product line for the SMB market. We have the switch series and the wireless series. Let's start from the PoE switch. The first one is economic 215 meters PoE switch. It's a very standard PoE switch. And the second is our hot selling model. Yeah, our hot selling model is gigabit ports and megabit ports. It's support easy smart management, support Wi-Tek free cloud and on-with IP camera in the Wi-Tek topology. The third is Wi-Tek cloud layer 2 and layer 3 managed switch suitable for around 50 IPC camera projects. If you have the outdoor CCTV deployment, we are recommend Cloud Easy Smart Outdoor PoE switch. It's a very unique design for the outdoor. And the next one is solar powered PoE switch, widely used also in the remotely placed no power and power supply unstable places. And let me introduce the hardened industrial PoE switch suitable for your budget industrial PoE CCTV projects because it's minor 30 to 65 working temperature and a very cost-effective solution for industrial application. And next is Super Rig industrial switch. Is also our best selling in the industrial grade because we are using the Marvel chipset and it's real minor 40 to 75 working temperature. And next, if your project CCTV project need a cloud management, we are recommend the cloud layer 2 managed industrial switch. And we also have some unique design like flat type easy smart PoE switch. It's also industrial grade, support Wi-Tek free cloud, and support DIN rail and magnet mount. And next one is very also unique design because it support 24 volt and 48 volt mixed PoE switch, which means you can power the 24 volt CPE and the power for the 48 volt IP camera. So it's widely used in many ISP projects. Okay, let's move on to the wireless part. For the wireless, we have the wireless long range transmitter for the CCTV from the 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer, and also support the cloud management plug and play. And if you want to deploy IP camera, sometimes no internet, we will recommend the LTE 4G wireless router. We have the indoor 4G router and the outdoor 4G router for your choice. Also, if you have many devices need to integration, we also have the smart IoT box. The smart IoT box, we have the different dimension for your choosing in the different projects. Also, we have the mesh system. For example, like motel, and villa, we will recommend to use Wi-Tek wireless mesh Wi-Fi system. We also have the indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. And if you deploy the networking Wi-Fi system in the hotel or the restaurant, we will recommend Wi-Tek wireless access point. We have the indoor and outdoor from the Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, even Wi-Fi 7. We also have. And let me introduce another solution is passive optical lens solution is based on the GPON technology, widely used in some smart city deployment. And we also have some accessory like a PoE injector, PoE splitter, and PoE extender for the customer use. So this is whole Wi-Tek SMB products using and is support and already have 95% products are support Wi-Tek free cloud. So you can see we also have the Weekend series. This Weekend series is our sub brand, meaning focus on the economic series PoE switch, Wi-Fi bridge, and some routers, mesh router, and Mi-Fi for the Soho. And we also have some product line for the ISP products like GPON router, 5G, and 6 GHz P2MP. Okay, as we mentioned, Wi-Tek SMB products meaning focus on the cloud solution. So you can see Wi-Tek already have web page cloud platform. You can search Wi-Tek cloud, and we also have a mobile application named Wi-Tek Cloud. You can download from the iOS system and or the Apple Store. So it's mainly focused on the project management, device management, and and we also have the real-time topology dynamic show and on-with IP camera. Also have some alarm notification. And we also have Wi-Tek Cloud Layer Cloud version 3 will be coming soon in the next month. For the new version cloud, we will be better, and the UI interface will also be very good. So these are some Wi-Tek web platform. Okay, let me introduce Wi-Tek Cloud. Wait a second. Yeah. Now currently you can see my interface already log in. Use my my own email to register. So it's very easy to to log in. So you can see here is the interface. Let me introduce you one by one. This is Wi-Tek cloud platform topology. You can see the topology is a demonstration. It's live. You can see from the internet to the gateway, and the gateway to the some PoE cloud easy smart PoE switch, and to the access point some IP cameras. Wi-Tek Cloud topology can read the IP camera. You can see you can see it support on-with IP camera, and we also can support EWAP function. So what is the EWAP function? EWAP function, which means can directly remote access this IP camera device at any place, anywhere, and which means you can do some configuration. Yes, it will be create a link. This link will directly create to the device. It's around the 30 minutes. So later you will see here is the interface for the Hikvision. Because due to in my server is in the China. If for example in your Zoom, that will be more faster. Yeah, you can see here is the Hikvision IP camera interface. So you can log in the user's name and the password. You can to do different configuration. Okay. Let's back, and we also not can on with IP camera, but we IP camera we also can read also can support for example we can you can see it support PoE ports. For example, it support PoE ports turn on and turn off, so you don't go to the site to check the device. You can directly setting in here. We also have some like a VLAN configuration. You can doing some VLAN configuration in here. Also, we are supposed to read VoIP device. For example, like intercom device, and IP phones also can support show in the Wi-Tek topology. Okay, let's see the second is device page. Device page you can directly see the different products like access point, mesh, 4G router, CPE kits is online. They will show you. For example, you want to one key upgradation is also supposed you one key upgradation. Upgrade, you want to reboot or want to reset, both okay. If you want to add the device, you also can scan the device, scan the device SN code. They will be automatically show in Wi-Tek topology. Okay, let's see some terminal. Terminal is the device like the IP camera device. It will be show the model, show the IP address, show the MAC address, and the switch SN code in here directly. So here is the dashboard. Dashboard, you can see the network and online total device in here, and And here have some configurations. I will show you. We have the general setting, gateway setting, and the switch. Also wireless. Those are very useful for the CCTV for the customers to use. For example, we also have the authentication, have the tools scan, and the freelance zone exactors. Also, I want to introduce you. This is the alarm notification. It's very useful for the for our installers because, for example, if you if you feel the products you want to do the configuration, you can do like a device offline and the device on or reboot. You can setting as the alarm enable or the email notification. So these are very important. You can set in by yourself. Then at that time, it will be automatically send you email for the alarm notification. It's very useful for the maintenance. Okay, so this is our part for the cloud web platform. And we also have a cloud application you can download directly from the Apple Store or the Google Shop. And he also have the demonstration topology, also have the toolkits like add the mesh node and the CPE tools. Also support PoE ports restart and the PoE ports turn on, turn off remotely by your graph. And some demonstration, the status also can be shown in here. Here will be show you how to use a web function to remotely monitor from our cloud management. I already show. Yeah, here is the SIP detection and the IPC web verification results. Let's see how to set cloud management on the application. It's also very easy to use. For example, if you have a project, you can create a project. The second step, you can scan your SN code. Then all the device. If all the device will be support and show in the demos, show in the topology. It's very easy to auto scan the device. And here is how to set up the SD-LAN on the application. It's also very easy. And here is our IPC local scan. How to use? You can use Wi-Tek Cloud application toolkit and find the IPC scan. The IPC scan is based on the Wi-Fi. It's local scan. You can view the local video in with the different IPC device. So, as because our today's topic will be introduce the our wireless transmitter and the IoT box and the PoE switch. So I will introduce you one by one. But before introduce the I introduce the wireless transmitter, I want to introduce you the outdoor cloud PoE switch because normally outdoor CCTV projects, the outdoor cloud PoE switch will be together work with the wireless transmitter. So you can see this is our outdoor waterproof PoE switch. It's very unique design because it's no need to buy an extra metal box. It's all-in-one installation. And it's waterproof IP65 design and support cloud management. For example, if you have a project, a CCTV project outdoor installation, you can use Wi-Tek outdoor waterproof PoE switch. It saves the UTP cable, directly power the IP camera. Also can power the wireless transmit the CPE kit. Then will be backhaul the CCTV data and video. Use the wireless transmitter. So outdoor waterproof PoE switch have below key function. The first one is save your cost because it's all-in-one waterproof enclosure design. You no need to buy an extra IoT box, extra the project box, and no need to buy the surge protector or the AC/DC adapter. Yeah, and it's very useful to use. The second is high PoE power output. It support work with the BT standard 90-watt PDZ IP cameras, and it's also support the DIP switch, DIP button, which means if you don't want to set it in the cloud by the web, you also can directly set in by the device with the DIP switch. So, and it's support the extend mode 250 meters, and the PoE restart also support only if detect IP camera and alarm notification in the Wi-Tek cloud management. Let's see the Wi-Tek cloud waterproof family. We have four ports and 8 ports, megabits ports with 2 uplink ports. And we have the no cloud model with 4 ports and 8 ports megabits. And this is our gigabit ports. 4 ports with 2 uplink ports, and 8 ports with 1 uplink port and 1 SFP slot. Also have another is cloud management PoE cloud outdoor waterproof PoE switch. Is 8 ports with 2 SFP slots. Okay, let's move on to the wireless long range transmitter. The wireless long range transmitter you can see is designed for the CCTV domain. For example, if you have a outdoor CCTV projects, you need a maximum 5 kilometer and don't want to deploy the cabling, you can use this wireless transmitter. It's maximum to the 5 kilometer, and this model are connect with the PoE switch, work with then to the NVR, then to the monitor base, and the receiver base. You can see the PoE switch with the power the different IP cameras. So it's easy to data backhaul and video backhaul. It support minus 30 degree to the 70 degree operator temperature, and it's 6 kV surge protection, lighting protection, and we support a 1 to 5 kilometer transmitter distance design, and the IP65 waterproof design. So these are from the 1 kilometer to the 5 kilometer. This one is the 120 degree is a sector antenna, and this one is the omni antenna with 360 degree. So our device is sell already pre-configuration because we sell a sell a pair, 2 pieces. When you receive the the package is already prepared, so you no need to do any configuration. You will be interested in, we already have the point-to-point mode. So how to deploy the point to multiple point is also very easy to configure. You no need to bring the laptop, go to the web page. It's very easy to use Wi-Tek, the DIP deep switch, because you can see here is the button. The button H means host for the base station. The C means receiver clients. So if you at the base station you just press the same number will be as a group. So here is the button. You can select you can press, then you can choose, you can see the LED channel display. You will see the same number, which means the same number is a group. So they will be paired together. So it's very easy to use the DIP, use the DIP deep switch with the LED screen. Yeah, you can see here is our sector antenna as a base station. It can be transmitter 3 kilometer and 5 kilometer. This 5 kilometer is support 3 PoE output. Can power the IP can power 3 IP cameras directly. And sometimes, and I think sometimes you will be in some instruction scenario, you want to deploy the CCTV projects, but you don't want to use the cabling and the transmission and the very harsh, right? So we are recommend to use the Wi-Tek Cloud outdoor waterproof PoE switch with wireless transmitter. They can transmit the power the CPE, and the CPE kit can give you the different video and CCTV data backhaul. Also, if you have a project of the elevator, we also will recommend you use our this type 110 kit, because sometimes if you use the cabling, it will be harsh to maintenance. But if you use the wireless bridge CPE kit is point-to-point mode, it will be easy to maintenance and monitor the scenarios. Let's see the wireless transmitter family. You can see we have 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and 2 5 kilometer. The best selling is the 513P kit. This one is our very unique design because it support PoE in, PoE ports in, and support PoE ports out, which means you can use the 48 volt 48 volt PoE injector or the PoE switch to power this device. And we also have some gigabits ports with 5 kilometer and 2 kilometer. This one is also our new launched one. It's support three PoE outputs and the gigabit design. It can power with more higher speed devices and faster transmission. This one is also our sector wireless wireless bridge because it's 120-degree antenna. And this one is the 660-degree. It supports 2 kilometer. Except the wireless bridge, we also have the accessories. Is the bracket for installation with this Wi-Fi bridge. It's also selling well because it's well wall mount. Let's see how we do the setting in the Wi-Tek cloud platform. The first, you can log in Wi-Tek cloud application. Second, you can see the CPE. You can find the CPE tool function in here, and then you can see how to select the distance between the point. For example, if it's 5 kilometer, and then you can select the CPE selection. We need to know the how many data rates of the IP cameras. When all of those selection, we will recommend for you the CPE calculator, and then we'll recommend the how to installation CPE with the height. They all will be calculated for you. It's very good and very convenient CPE tool for the CCTV installers. Then you can show the CPE in the Wi-Tek cloud platform. Okay, let me introduce you another our very useful solution is the IoT box. So when we talk about the IoT box, I think if you, especially for the CCTV installer, if you have CCTV projects outdoor side, you need to take lots of the devices like IP camera and accessory breakers, etc. And you want to integrate all the device. We will recommend you use Wi-Tek Smart IoT box. We have the 5 different dimension and the different budgets suitable for the different clients, and it's IP65 design. We also have the IP55 design. Also, is IK10 impact because the heavy the weight is really heavy, and also support anti-corrosion. So with the different dimension. Yeah, let's see below functions. Here is the first is excellent cooling design. It will be keep the devices normal work and very useful. The second is cabling routing hole. It's also easy for the cabling installation. Also, it's a modular design, very useful for protect the device control, and the inserter and also have the inserter resistance design. And the IoT application, this is also very useful for the installers, because when if somebody open the door, the device will be received and give you a alarm notification from to the cloud. So you will give a alarm notification when somebody open the door. And what weatherproof design is protection. Let's see some smart IoT box deployment in the different country, because this model is very unique and very popular in the different cities. So we will very highly recommend for this one. Let's see, we have the different dimension. You can see we have the nano is the latest one, and the IP66 and the IP55 design, and the IoT box mini, and the 01, 02, and the 03 with a different dimension for the customer different choice. It support pole and wall floor mounted installation. Okay, when we talk about the IoT box, I think we can another talking about our solar cloud PoE switch, because normally customer buy the IoT box will be work with the solar cloud PoE switch. So let's see the Wi-Tek cloud solar powered PoE switch how to work. This is our solar powered PoE switch is insert MPPT controller, so it can be directly power the solar panel, power the battery directly. And when the device work with the IoT controller, so it can be monitor the status with the battery. For example, the battery status and the voltage status all can be shown in the Wi-Tek cloud. And and we are not only selling the solar powered PoE switch, we also sell the brackets and sell the solar panel brackets also with the IoT box. So it's and the wireless bridge transmitter. So it's a one-stop CCTV outdoor CCTV solution for the customer. With the solar powered PoE switch, we also have the different dimensions with the different currents. And here is show how to choose the products. If you don't know how to choose what model suits you, you can download the Wi-Tek Cloud application and see this tool UPS Wizard, and then it will be help you how to choose reliable Wi-Tek models. And if you don't know how to installation, Wi-Tek Cloud application also will be guide you how to preparation, how to installation with the deep switch. And if you don't know how to maintenance the products, Wi-Tek UPS Wizard tool also will help you how to maintenance and management via Wi-Tek Cloud from Wi-Tek Cloud platform. It will be show you the online solar system and how many charging you already have percent, and charging powers and load the version. Also will be show you the monitor the battery capacity and the power directly. So, which means you don't need to go to the site to check all the system status. You directly at your home, you can in your Grab use your mobile phone can holding and maintenance your projects. So also we will introduce the solar CCTV with the 4G LTE SD-LAN. For example, like this solar system. If in the base station you already have the internet, use Wi-Tek gateway, and you have the different you have a different sites. For example, you have a branch in the Miami, and you have a branch in the Texas, and another site you want to monitor your CCTV data at any place anywhere. You can use Wi-Tek 4G LTE SD-LAN solution, so that can create a data tunnel and use the SD-LAN function. Use Wi-Tek on Wi-Tek gateway. Therefore, you can open the tunnel directly to monitor your devices at your different in your headquarter. And this is the and I want to and I also I want to tell is SD-LAN function. What is the SD-LAN function? Is VPN. It's the similar like VPN, but VPN you need to be charged. You need to be charged, and you need the public IP address, right? But Wi-Tek SD-LAN function is all totally free. Only you need one public address and use the Wi-Tek gateway. You can achieve this SD-LAN solution. And the second solution is with the wireless transmitter site to the site. For example, you can use Wi-Tek wireless transmitter if some place is maximum to the 5 km, and you want to achieve the point to multiple point, can use Wi-Tek this device and monitor at the monitor point, and you can use IoT box with the solar system, and the PoE switch will directly power the wireless the CPE kit. So they will be achieve the 5 km CCTV data and the video backhaul to the monitor room. It will be widely used in some place for some outdoor place, and you want to achieve remotely control. Okay. Here is I will introduce you our next solution. It's our mesh system. Mesh system, I think will be also very useful in the scenario, in the motel or the villa scenarios. Here is the mesh system. What is mesh? Mesh, which means you no need to deploy. No need the cabling installation. You just you can put the device at any corner. So it's the easy mesh function. Yeah, you can see here is the project in the villa. For example, this villa, if you want to deploy the Wi-Fi in the different corner, you can use the mesh system. No need to configuration. It also will be easy to paired, and it support the on-with protocol IP camera directly. So for the mesh system, we also have a different model. It's Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5. Yeah, let's see the key feature. For the first one is mesh system. We have the three mode for the customer to use. The first is internet connection directly. The second is wireless interconnection. The third is hybrid interconnection. Depends on your needs. The second is support PoE put PoE in and the PoE in the two PoE out can power directly IP camera. So let's see how to set the master AP configuration. All can be finished in the Wi-Tek Cloud application. First, you need to create a group and quickly provision. Use the easy mesh network. Then the next, you can make your phone connect the master AP SSID. Then setting WAN for the connecting internet. Then you will see the master AP gets the online. Let's see how to set slave AP configuration. You can also see the from the Wi-Tek Cloud application mesh network, and then auto detect and will be shown in the topology. So okay, we will also have some another solutions. I want to introduce you. Wait a moment. So regarding the wireless transmitter solution, we will have the 1 kilometer to 3 kilometer point-to-point wireless CCTV solution recommendation for you. Let's see how to. This solution is application for the mostly outdoor scenarios. It's very difficult to wiring and without the cabling. So Wi-Tek this solution suitable for the 1 to 3 kilometer. You can see the architecture. The first is the first have the internet. Internet have the will with the Wi-Tek router. Then the monitor room NVR with the PoE switch. The PoE switch will be power the wireless bridge, and then you can achieve with the IoT in the outdoor scenarios. You can installation Wi-Tek outdoor waterproof PoE switch. The outdoor waterproof PoE switch will be power the the Wi-Fi bridge and power the IP camera. So it's achieve the point-to-point scenario solution. And this is the 5-kilometer point-to-multiple-point wireless CCTV solution. You can see the picture. Also recommend use Wi-Tek router and use Wi-Tek Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch with gigabit ports, and use the Wi-Tek sector 120 degree sector antenna to achieve the point to multiple point mode. Let's see the feature and advantage. Why use Wi-Tek outdoor waterproof PoE switch? Because it supports 90-watt PoE output, can power the PTZ camera. And why use the Wi-Tek Wi-Fi bridge? Because it supports LED quick pairing, so you no need to bring the laptop to the site. It's prepared, easy to configuration. Let's see how to applications and what scenarios and version selection. For example, your project environment is outdoor, right? The typically scenario is might be the city, road, campus, and the street. We will recommend basically one. For the industrial scenarios, we will the typically scenario normally is the factory and the farmland. We will recommend the version is Pro. If the project environment is long distance, and the typically scenario is highway, forest, and fire watch, we will recommend the premium according to the different device dimension. The product recommendation, we will recommend for the 3-kilometer, we will recommend the 511H kit. Version 2 is 5 GHz with 100 Mbps. Also recommend the CPE 80 kit. This is 5-kilometer recommendation distance with 5 GHz gigabit ports. Also, we are recommend the CPE 814 This is a 5-kilometer recommendation distance and with the gigabit ports and support PoE output. Also, I will introduce you another with the intelligence waterproof security industrial CCTV solution. This solution will be use the Wi-Tek wireless transmitter CPE kit and use the Wi-Tek IoT box together solution. This solution This solution is suitable for designed for harsh environment and outdoor environment solution scenarios supporting the dual mode cooperation monitor, and you want to management via Wi-Tek cloud platform. You can use Wi-Tek this solution together. So you can see this is the Wi-Tek monitor base station. Use Wi-Tek gateway. The gateway will be power the Wi-Fi bridge and then point to point mode with another side. The another side is the monitor side. The monitor side, you will have the IoT box. The IoT box will be with the industrial flat type Easy Smart PoE switch. This is the magnet design, so it can be power the IP camera and then power the Wi-Fi bridge. So if you have a project outdoor and a really harsh environment and want to monitor the device, so you can use Wi-Tek this solution. Let's see the feature and the advantages. Innovation magnet mounting, because the IoT box and the cloud Easy Smart flat type industrial PoE switch is support magnet mounting. It's very flexible design. And the second is it support cloud Wi-Tek cloud remotely management directly, and the modular is also modular design. Modular design, for example, like Dinreal solar side panel and the micro switch are all the dashable, can be checked. Also have the excellent cooling design for the with the IoT box is keep the device stable and the performance working well in the harsh environment. And the application scenarios and the version selection, we will be recommend the scenario like harsh industrial and outdoor environments. The typically scenario is science area, parks, and mining area, open stores, etc. The product recommendation, I will recommend the flat type hardened cloud Easy Smart PoE switch. It's support minus 30 degree to the 65 degree, and the IoT box version 3 is outdoor waterproof design, IP66 design. The working temperature is under the minus 40 degree to the 85 degree. And we also recommend the CPE 800 kit. Version 3 is long range wireless transmission to the 5 kilometer and the IP65 protection design, and it support minus 40 to the 70 degree working environment. And this is our gateway. The gateway is multifunctional gateway device. It can be support cloud management and the power the IP camera, power the device directly. So this is the highly we recommend the model. Okay. Let's back on to the Wi-Tek product line for the CCTV. As we already mentioned, today already introduced Wi-Tek outdoor waterproof PoE switch solution and wireless transmitter solution with the IoT box solution and some PoE switch with 4G solar powered PoE switch solution. So this is all the Wi-Tek solution. Depends on the different scenarios. So I think Wi-Tek already have the 1 to 3 kilometer wireless long range transmitter solution, 5 kilometer long range transmission solution with the IoT box work with the CPE kit solution. So those solutions are all based on the Wi-Tek cloud application or based on the Wi-Tek cloud platform. Directly can monitor all of your the device, and the maintenance is very easy and very easier to maintenance, save your CCTV project cost. So here is all the Wi-Tek product line for the CCTV from PoE switch and industrial grade PoE switch, outdoor waterproof PoE switch, solar powered PoE switch. From the wireless networking have the
Women attendees, hello, and we had some technical issues, so please wait a moment.
Sorry. I'm very sorry due to the internet suddenly dropped. So actually I already
Yeah. Hi, Summer.
mm,
Thank you for
hi
coming again.
Baron,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sounded good.
Yes. Yes, actually, I today's presentation is the topic is all finished, and may I know everybody have any questions? Welcome to contact me.
So thank you all for joining. Sorry. Thank you all for joining this webinar. Now we will open the floor for any question and answer session. So if you have
Hello.
any question or comments, please feel free to share that in the live chat, or you
Yes,
can use
yes.
your microphone.
Welcome to chat with me.
So I can see a question from Edgar Rodriguez. Um, any solar switches can be added at the cloud? He is asking
Yes,
that. Ah, okay, great.
yes. Let me show you. Wait a moment. which solar PoE switch can support a cloud. You can see here management we are remark. For example, like this model 306GF UPS version 4 and 306GF UPS 50N and this model PS402 UPS dash I. These three models are support work with the IoT 100. This is a cloud controller. When you work with this controller, you can achieve the cloud management. You can see all the status via Wi-Tek cloud.
Oh, good. So it is necessary to complement with the solar controller.
Yeah. It must need to work with this controller, then can achieve the cloud management.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank
You
you so
can
much.
see here is the picture topology. Here is the connection way. This is the solar powered PoE switch. Work with this IoT controller and the device and the IoT controller with these ports. So you can achieve the cloud management in the application. Yes. So have any questions?
So
Hello.
thank you very much all for joining this webinar. Once again, thank you. And so thank you, Summer, for this very interesting webinar. And there's
Thank
no
you.
other question or comments, so everything is clear. Um, well, we wish you all a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you all of you attending this online meeting and see you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye. Have a good
Have
day.
a wonderful day, everyone. Sorry, Summer, I can
Hey,
see that
yes.
Johnny Rivera, yes, have a question. Hi,
Okay,
Johnny.
okay.
Hi, Johnny. Do you have a question? And they raised up.
¿De size? ¿De size? ¿Qué es ese? ¿Cuál es that one? 5'8". 5'8", so you need it smaller? Yeah. Half inch.
Hello,
You
Johnny.
get half inch. Size? Yeah, I need a half inch. Size? Yeah, it's half inch. Half? Yeah, it's half inch. You want me to go get you? One of these? All right.
Hello, Johnny. We can hear you. Do you have any
Johnny.
question?
No question. Sorry.
Ah, okay. Got it.
Okay, no
So
problem.
Yeah,
thank you.
it's because I'm putting camera.